Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're changing yarn now. Stop when the working loop sits on your finger. Hold the tail of the incoming yarn about 6 to 8 inches past the loop so you have room to tie and weave. Place the new strand over your finger next to the old working yarn and pinch both strands together between thumb and forefinger. You're preparing a neat join. This prevents bulky knots later. Once done, you'll be ready to make the first connecting stitch. You'll knit one stitch using both the old and the new yarn held together. This binds the strands and keeps the join flat. Make a normal finger knit loop with both threads and pull it snug but not tight, maintaining consistent tension with the rest of the work. If you prefer extra security, tie a tiny overhand knot with the tails away from the fabric edge. Just snug it gently so it doesn't pucker. Then lay tails down and continue. Once you've worked 3 to 4 stitches after the join, you can drop the old yarn and continue with the new yarn alone. This ensures the join is fully incorporated. Use a yarn needle to weave each tail under 4 to 6 existing loops on the wrong side, pulling gently to sit flat. If you notice a bump or tight stitch at the join, loosen the nearby loops and reseat the tails. Make the last stitch again if needed. This avoids lumps and keeps your piece smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.